Hi friends, myself Manish Barbande. I am a technical sales engineer and I am here to introduce the newly developed machine called MeasureMate. This is specially designed for measurement of inspection of shim component which is dynamically inspected. Now I am here to brief you about the multi-gauging machines which comes under MeasureMate. These are the transmission shim used in transmission assembly. These are very precise and manufactured within a micron of 16 micron, 20 micron and 22 microns. Even small variation in thickness can impact transmission performance, leading to noise, improper gear engagement, reduced efficiency and potential field failure. Therefore, 100% accurate thickness inspection is critical for these shims. With production volume increase, manufacturers face critical challenges. How do you ensure 100% inspection of every shim while maintaining production speed? Manual inspection using micrometer is slow, operator dependent and vulnerable to human error. So we have introduced this multi-gauging called MeasureMate for inspection of shim dynamically. Now I will show you the one inspection cycle, how inspection of these shims, thickness of these shims happens dynamically. Let's go. We have to just load this component manually. You have to just press this start button. Inspection started and component is rotating clockwise. Now inspection is completed. Here we are showing that component is okay. Now component is within tolerance, so component is okay. So we have to just take the component, and here we have given special sorting mechanism. Sorting mechanism, we have to just put the component in this sorting mechanism. It automatically gets sensed and sorted accordingly in oversize, undersize and okay component. Here we have given a special animated sorting bin mechanism for operator, so that operator can easily understood the component, is it component okay, undersize and oversize, and it can also visualize component has already gone into okay, bin, oversize and undersize and also with count. At CalibroMeasure, our objective is to provide complete reliable solution to customer, so that customer achieve 0% rejection. So here we have developed such type of machine to dedicated and such close tolerance shim.